Hey, this is Joe at 718 Cycle Arena Outdoors. We're going to talk today about a variation of a square knot called the thief knot. And I learned this today. I was today days old when I learned about this. I thought it was so fascinating that I wanted to make a little video about it. So a square knot is a pretty simple knot. We're taking two lines coming together, right over left, left over right, for a knot that's sturdy and tight. And again, a square knot, you want to be able to make sure, as opposed to a granny knot, which is easy to kind of stumble into when you're tying a square knot, you want to have these two symmetrical loops that are pulling on each other. That's the hallmark of a square knot. So a thief's knot looks like so. I'm going to make a loop, come up, around, come on down, and again, I'm making the same shape as a square knot. So there it is. We got these two loops here. What's the difference? Well, the big difference is when you look at this knot when it's done, the two bitter ends on a thief knot come out top and bottom, right? On a square knot, the two ends come out on the top on the same side. This comes out top and bottom, right? So again, this is the thief knot. And the story behind this is that ancient seamen and relatively recent seafaring folks would tie their belongings, food, clothing, tie it up in a bag, and they would use a thief knot. Now, after the thief went through their bag, untied their knot, and retied it, a thief is probably going to tie it back as a square knot. So you'd instantly be able to see. So the thief would come over, get all the good stuff, and then in order to avoid detection, he would then want to tie the knot back up again and leave. So he would tie a square knot. But again, now the square knot, the two ends of the square knot are on the top side. So this would be a way for someone to know if their stuff was tampered with. Anyway, nice weird knot history. I thought it was a lot of fun and really interesting to kind of learn about this morning and learn how to tie. And again, thanks for watching, and I hope you might subscribe to our channel. All right, thanks again.